feeling really good. The week has been fantastic. I think I've really opened up this week. I've really allowed myself to completely sink into being somewhere new. I wanted to come as a student. I actually wanted to reignite my love for yoga and forget about my corporate job. So I've been able to do that. And I think the space that you create is, from the moment that you walk in, it enabled me to leave that at the door. And I've worked through quite a lot of things this week, and so I'm looking forward to what happens next. I think the sand dunes, that hike is wonderful. The villa itself is beautiful, and I think it's a great destination from here to the beach. You get the perfect balance of having time on your own, but then also connecting with others. And I value both of those things, so I think it was a great balance. Great yoga, tried Kundalini for the first time. My favourite class was definitely this evening, because I like the fiery yoga. It enables me to, process stuff. But the hypnosis, every single time we did that, I think you can ask your mum, I'm straight in. And we're really deep, so yeah, really good. It is emotionally challenging to do some of the work, so it's not just a holiday, right? You're here for a reason. So yeah, really good. Yeah, I think when I was coming, I knew deep down why I was coming here. And it's really odd because how I ended up coming on this particular retreat was just a friend saying to me, do you want to come? And the whole event looked fantastic. I didn't think I would be coming out with such a clear plan like I have now. So I definitely feel like I achieved more than I set out to achieve. But I was coming for some yoga and stuff. But yeah, it's really made me think about things and looking forward to the next steps. I think the space that you guys create, I think with everyone being together, I think it's the bonding of the people that you're here with, and every retreat will be different. So I can understand why people come back, because I can imagine that each group is different and you learn different things about yourself and others. So yeah, I'd say it's a good way, and it is definitely more than a retreat, like going out doing things, it's not all focused on yoga. So yeah, I think it's a nice balance.